Hey team, how you doing? Ray here and here for MotoNZ.com. Bit of an update video to last week's adventure riding. No, what did we call it? Trail riding and adventure bike. The Tenere E07 has been washed 3 times so far. The first time was just water blasting all the crap off it. The second time was water blasting more crap off it. The third time, we drenched it in Dirt Destroyer. And then we water blasted it again. It's come up all right, actually. So after removing the skid plate, you can really see where all that mud and pumice got to. Crikey, it was a mess under there. So I sprayed a bit more of that Dirt Destroyer all over the bike and set to work with the water blaster for the 4th time. I get the feeling that no matter how many times I clean this bike, I'm still going to be finding pumice, mud, and grime. Once the bike was looking reasonably respectable once again, it was time to turn my attention to my riding gear. So I got the muc-off helmet, visor and goggle cleaner out and started to spray down and wipe all the grime off my helmet and FMF goggles. Most helmet liners are removable, so take it out after every decent ride, chuck it through the washing machine and then put it all back together smelling fresh as a daisy. Removing all of the helmet lining can muck with the cables of your cardo system, so make sure you do a test fit once you've got it all back together. I also use this anti-odor spray by muc-off, which does quite a good job of removing any smells and leaves everything smelling quite fragrant. Something else that pays not to forget is your air filter maintenance. But that's it for the boring maintenance stuff. Let's check out some new kit. In this box, I have just unpacked a whole stack of stuff from Quadlock, and I'm going to show you all about it now. There's lots and lots of cool bits and pieces in that box, but what we've got here is the brand new iPhone mag case. This is really cool. Works with the mag mount, the desktop wireless dual charger. Charging plate down here, charging plate up here. Suddenly my phone and my whatever else I've got, my earbuds get charged all at the same time. With this new case though, and I've already taken it out of its box, we get the addition of these cool coloured rings, and we've got a whole stack of them. Now it comes with a black one. I've gone blue out of the box, but we've got, you know, camo green, pink, orange, red, grey, heaps to choose from. And then of course you get your rain poncho to go over the front of your phone as well. And I've really been spoiled. We're going full on wireless charging. We've got a wireless charging head to go on the Tenere E07. Okay, so we've got our weatherproof USB-C into the back of the wireless charging head, and we're just running the cable down the inside of the instrumentation tower. I've got a whole bunch of cable tucked in here, and then we're running straight into a USB adapter. I need to upgrade my USB adapter so we've got higher capacity, higher current running up this cable. At the moment we've got, I think it's 1 amp, 1.5 amps. We can run up to 3. 3 is fast charging, so we'll upgrade that, but at the moment this will do. And when we put our phone on there, it starts charging if the key is on. And you see the light blinking there, and it's ready to charge if it's blue. So yeah, happy with that. Turns off when the key goes off, that's good. This is not watertight, so I need to get a weather-tight, weather-resistant adapter with a higher amp rating. But otherwise, wireless charging sorted on the T7. Just got to put the screen back on. So the Quadlock Wireless charging head, or the Quadlock itself, it works the same as all previous Quadlocks that I've used. You have the case on your phone with the socket on the back, and you have the Quadlock head on your bike. You put it in at an angle and you lock it in either landscape or portrait mode. Easy as. Some of the other new goodies from Quadlock though are these coloured rings. You can get many different colours, and it comes with this little plastic pin. You pop the wee grommets out and the ring pops off, and then you put on whatever colour you desire. I don't imagine you'd be changing the coloured rings every single day, but it is a nice way to personalise your case, considering otherwise you'd literally just stuck with a plain black Quadlock case. And that's about all I've got for you this week. Make sure you check out MotoNZ.com, check out Kiwi Rider Podcast, and maybe Kiwi Rider Magazine at kiwirider.co.nz as well. Otherwise, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, leave a comment below, and we'll catch you in a week's time.